Hello everyone, I'm Simon. Today we're at the ITC office building. Hi.
ITC Professional Audio-Visual Solution Provider.
Today we are going to have a look at our ITC Economical 77 series IPPA and Intercom system. This is an economical system for small budget. First, let's have a look at the IP wall mount speaker. From the rear panel, we are going to have a detailed discussion of how it works. You see, the audio signal is transmitted via the network cable in line in, and the amplifier audio will output to a deputy speaker from the speaker out. And you could adjust both speakers' volume from this rotary knob, and this also provides a local audio input. This new rotary knob is used to coordinate the network audio and the local audio. Now let's create a task in the PC and make it play.
Schlaf jetzt in meinem Schoß, denn ich dich, bis du schlafst.
Next, let's have a look at the IP intercom panel. We have two models for this system. One is with 2 buttons, the other one is with 1. Let's look at this model first. The 2 buttons here, one is for emergency calling, the other one is for dialogue. And next, let's look at the inner structure and see its function. Mostly it has 2 shock signal input and 1 shock signal output that are used to connect to the third-party system and work with them. It also has a line output to output audio signal to the active speaker. This model is basically the same as the previous one. The only difference is that it only has 1 button for emergency calling. Let me show you how it works.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. My credit card is down now. What can I do? I need to attend an important meeting right now. Okay. And give me your credit card number. I will close the card for you. And also, please bring your ID card to our business hall. If you will 3 days, we will return the card. Thank you.
As you see, I have just used this microphone to talk to the intercom panel. This is the IP remote paging microphone we use in this system. You could page to any terminal you want. For example, I'm going to page this terminal to show you how it works. You just dial the terminal number, click OK. Hello? ITC leading manufacturer of audio-visual system. It's boring. Luckily, we have so many programs and music in the server, and you could use this remote paging microphone to on-demand unicast any of them. Let me play. Okay, much better. Okay, next, let's have a look at the IP audio terminal. This terminal is like the one before. The audio signal and control signal is input via the network cable and also provide user with a mic input. The 2 output is used to connect to the speaker directly because it also already has a Class D built-in amplifier. The aux input is used to connect to the local audio. You could connect it to any audio source you want. You could adjust the overall volume in here. Also, we have a remote controller to let the user choose what they want to play easily. Let's play music. Next one. Following up, we are going to have a look at the IP network audio adapter. The main function of this adapter is to decode an audio signal from the internet and then output it to the amplifier as an analog audio signal. From the front panel is a very simple design, just a mic and aux volume controller. And you also adjust the bass and treble here, and you also have the mic input. Now let's have a look at the rear panel to see how it works. Follow the audio signal flow. We could see that the audio signal and control signal is transmitted from the internet from in here, and then the device will decode this signal and output it to the amplifier from here, and then amplify to speaker. If you want to control the 3-wire volume controller, you simply transmit back the amplifier audio signal back to this device, and then from here the signal will be output to the volume controller with relay. Also, we have 2 programmable power supply, and here is the mute control used to coordinate the internet audio and the local audio. Beside it is a local audio input and emergency audio input. Let me show you how this adapter works. I will create a task from the computer and then choose this terminal and play. This is the fire signal receiving panel we use for this system. As you see, it has 16 fire signal input. This network cable is used to connect to the controller, and when the fire signal input in here, it will tell the controller which zone is on fire, and the controller will mobilize the whole system to broadcast evacuation message according to the preset program. Let me show you how this works. Short signal, and the preset program we have here is to play soft music when emergency happens. The IP77 series is very easy to install. All you need to do is to connect all devices to the switcher, and the information bridge is built out. Also, notice one thing, this is our Economical IPPA and Intercom system. Want to know the price? Send us a message to this email.